Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. He's a boating man. Gonna do some fishing today, Cam? No fishing. No. Camden, what does Auntie Sean need?
Oh, I know.
She needs boat juice. That's right.
Say something here, too.
Camden's gonna have his shirt
You're gonna have some of your drink. Auntie Sean's gonna give us some boat juice. And then you're gonna go really fast?
What are you saying?
Okay.
All right. Are you gonna go really fast?
What are we gonna do, Camden?
Real fast.
Really fast. All right, ready?
Vroom, vroom.
Ready? Count with me. 1,
2.
3.
Oh, he's going so fast. Oh no. Oh no. You really good.
Okay.
I go real fast.
He wants to go real
Even on the swing now, he's like,
Zoom, zoom. Oh, where's he going? Where's he going?
So Marie, you had cataract surgery.
This way.
You want to go this way?
On my right eye.
I'm
And then July 22nd, I have